Hello everyone, my name is Nikada Resinta Putri. Today I would like to explain about presenting in a seminar. There are several sessions that on the seminar that we cover. The first is how to create presentation and a guide creating creative slides. The first session is preparation. The preparation of the material that we going to present must be simple and attractive so that the audience understand the topic that we are presenting. When we are making presentation, we have to really understand about materials. It needs to avoid it that is don't talk all the materials uh, in the paper and just say the points of the materials are explained in the details. The second is gather resources. The gather resources, when we make a presentation, we need to discuss material that really makes the audience understand the topics we are presenting. Things that needs to be eliminated are points that are not needed to be conveyed to the audience. In a presentation, we must present the material in details and clarity for the audience so that the audience uh, understand the material. Besides that, we need to pay attention to the timing in the presentation because the delivery of material which time must be appropriate. Next is logistic. Logistic is about the place and time to carry out the presentation. At the time of the presentation, we must consider where we can make a presentation so that the presentation runs smoothly. Time also really needs to be prepared so that it's on time when we start the presentation, so that the presentation is carried out effectively. Equipment needs when the presenting, it is very important to be prepared, namely a computer, microphone, and internet connection. We really need to prepare the equipment properly because it greatly to affect the success of presentation. Next is organize the material. There are three parts. The first, introduction, the end, conclusion. In the introduction, in this session, we can explain the ideas of the material that will be present. The idea we write in the introduction is very important for the first exposure to the material we will present. The body in this part, this section requires a detailed idea of the material so that the audience get the points what that we present. When explaining the materials, we need to add the example of the material we presenting. And the last is conclusion. At this stage, the presenter provided a summary of the material we presented by emphasizing the important points of the do's and don't. When we do the presentation, the presenter must present the material with simple material explanation so that the audience can understand our materials well. The quality of the presentation can be seen from the presentation of interesting material idea, not from the PowerPoint that we present. The important things is the clear content of our material. Next is the final step. The final step that the presenter must be take over making a presentation is always to practice and understand more deeply the material that we are going to present. Therefore, the presentation that will run smoothly. Okay, that's all about explanation presenting in seminar. Thank you.